Here we have Cearvol Wave, a next-gen AI-powered hearing solution designed for adults, mainly for 45 to 75 years old with hearing loss. It's lightweight, stylish, and built for everyday life, whether you're at a restaurant, outdoors, or in conversation. You'll get adaptive noise reduction, up to 22 hours of use with fast charging, and premium sound powered by Knowles. Plus, it doubles as Bluetooth earbuds for music and calls with app customization, a 10-meter remote mic, dual device sync, touchscreen controls, and even aux-in for your TV or in-flight entertainment. So I'm really excited to do the unboxing and trying this out, so let's get on with it, shall we? So here it goes. All right, so let's open this up. Cearvol, number 1, number 2, push here. What's this? Quick start guide, user guide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the app instruction and QR code as well. That's the actual case. But before we get into this, we got the instruction manual. That's how it looks like. A lot of magic going on here. Separate ear plugs, USB-A to USB-C. Some sort of like a brush with a very interesting tip going on here. This is for just keeping it dry. And this is a aux cable, isn't it, for your entertainment. Now, I've been doing a lot of tech review, as you know, and this I can immediately tell is a good weight. Nice, feels nice, and it's shiny as well. Screen going on here. So this is where you could put those strings so you could actually carry it with you, dangling microphone so you could turn on the mic. Symbol, that is, and that's the actual mic here. And the function button here, USB-C, and the aux plug here. So if we were to open it up, that's the earbuds Cearvol on both ends, symbol of left and right. Now that's a rather interesting shape of an earbud, isn't it? That tip there is long, so it will actually fit quite well with your ear canal. And we got the wireless charging dots here, 2 of them, and a sensor, making sure it can detect that it's on your ear. And this Cearvol, I'm presuming that you can control with this. And we got this listening microphone here, I presume. And on the other side as well. I wonder why we call this a hearing aid as well. That's quite interesting. I thought the battery ran out, but as soon as I plug this, it shows that the case is 81% and both earbuds are 100%. And we got the time here. And it's not actually Monday the 21st, but I'll change that later on. And we can actually adjust the Bluetooth settings and also volume on both ends. Each of them, that's very good. And you can switch mode to different here as well. So restaurant, conversation, outdoor, or even at home, I think. Noise reduction, very impressive. Dialogue enhance, alarm, you can use it as well. Brightness, equipment information. Oh, it's very comfortable. It fits right into your ear canal. This is the first time I'm actually trying a hearing aid, but you can sometimes hear a bit of a microphone hissing sound, you know, those beep kind of sound. This is fine. I could actually hear my voice much clearer, so it won't be comfortable, you know, sleeping with it. So I'll definitely recommend you guys to take it off before you go to sleep. Touch it. It's actually a button. So that's very good. I think every earbud should actually have a button rather than a sensor. So the device is connected to the Bluetooth and the app, and the app itself is advising to carry out a hearing test, okay? So let's press yes. And then you need to be in a certain sound level of an environment below 60, I presume, okay? And then ready to start, you can do a binaural test, left ear or right ear. So let's do a binaural test. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so when you hear it, oh, here it goes. So you need to find a quiet place. So if there's any surrounding sound, because I speak something saying it's not the right place to record or test. So let's go quiet for a while. Okay, so I can hear it. So every time when I hear it, I just press here, and that's how you carry out the test, okay? So on the left-hand side top is about mainly adjusting the volume of each earbuds. Now you can actually break the synchronize, yeah, and then do it customizable. Like you could do this 5 on this side and let's say 2 on this side, which is a bit extreme. And you can also choose the scene as well. So currently it's on indoor, conversation, restaurant, outdoor, which is same thing that's happening with the case as well. You can actually adjust that, can't you, on the case? Now what's quite interesting is that on the app itself, if you press the gear, you can actually adjust the noise reduction, voice enhancement as well, directivity, equalizers as well. So if you want a bit of more bass, that's really good. I do like a bit of a bass and a bit of sharp treble as well. So you can go for either the ambient aware or not. And if you go to hearing test, that's the test that we just carried out early on. So you can actually put your own sort of figures as well on the left and the right hand side. Just click on that and so on. And lastly, if you go to my profile, it's pretty standard, isn't it? Device information, AI fitting assistant, own voice reduction, and all those historical audiograms, contact us, software, and etc. So by using this homemade binaural device, we're going to carry out a few sound tests. For example, hearing my voice through this binaural device with or without the Cearvol Wave, play some music, and etc. So let's get on with it, shall we?
Remote microphone on.
Okay, so I'm literally next door, speaking about 60-70 centimeters away towards the case that has a microphone on it. So I hope you guys could get the feel of how it sounds through the case of the microphone. This will be a perfect spine tool, by the way. Okay, so as you can see, it's been a bit of a rainy day, so maybe because of this, I can hear every single step. So that's quite interesting. So those who might find this a bit annoying, then maybe you can divert this use for sensitive conversation or during the meeting and so on. Okay, so I'm literally walking below the train track, as you can see. I was expecting a lot of loud, squeaky sound of metal frictions and so on, but they seem to be quite good actually. So it seems to have a bit of a loud but yet filtering out on the highest pitch, if that makes sense. So we're soon to hear the noise of the beeping sound when someone crosses over the road. As you can see, it's yeah, I can hear that it's actually modeled up a bit when I go near to that sound. So if it's the right hand side, it seems to be blurred a bit, and on the left hand side it blurred a bit as well. So that's been a very good experiment. Also yeah, I can hear every single car's tire screeching on the asphalt. That's very interesting. Again, another train. That's not bad. You know, I thought I'm gonna go like but in fact it's all good. That really annoying high pitch has been filtered out, yet very clear. The other thing is that because the microphone is actually on the back side as well, there was this girl on a bicycle and she was saying something. Here goes another cyclist. I heard that. And she actually felt like she was right behind me, but in fact when I turned around she was about 3 or 4 meters away from me. That's a bit of an eerie feeling, but it just shows how good it is. So you're aware of your surrounding, and especially if someone's behind you whispering against you, I guess you can easily detect that. Okay, so I'm going to listen to the same track, which is called the Skylume by Declan DP. So though it's like generally loud and sharp, that top bit that could irritate you because of the high pitch is filtered out. So it's really good. I mean, it could almost level up with like the Sony XM series, but unfortunately this is more for the hearing aid side. So I guess I can see that they can do it, but they deliberately filtered out that top bit. All right, so what I'm going to do is listen to my own recent video clip to kind of judge how my voice sounds like through this earbud. So here it goes. Yeah, so my voice, again, the top treble be able to customize your very own AI sound is your preferences, filtered, yeah, definitely. But I don't know, I'm just so used to listening to all these earbuds that it's different, okay? My brain is keep telling me that, come on, I mean, I need that sharpish sound on the top, you know, but obviously there's a good reason behind it, isn't it? Okay, so I'm using this app that can record the Bluetooth device into a sound. So I've actually heard it early on, and it's really good. It's probably one of the best sound recording quality, as you can see from this graph, should we say, the sequence, and it's going to the top of the level of recording. So I'm really impressed with this. So they got all the technology that they could go reach to the top with all of this. So well done. Woo! So this is now connected by the aux connection here to my PC to the same music, and it sounds excellent. I have to say this is the best sound quality that you're gonna get, especially when it's directly connected. And also on the vocal side, I've been listening to a few podcasts in here, and it's really good. Especially you'll be impressed with the vocal side. Look at that. So I've been plugging this in for charging for about 5-10 minutes, and it's already reaching 50%. Look at that. Almost a percentage per second. Wow. 51. Come on, 52. 52. The Cearvol Wave is designed primarily as a hearing aid, yet I'm genuinely impressed by how well it doubles as a pair of Bluetooth music earbuds. The audio quality is strong enough that if the company had chosen, these could easily compete with some of the best entertainment-focused earbuds on the market. Instead, Cearvol has clearly prioritized their hearing aid functionality, which almost feels like a subtle invitation to consumers. If we can do this for a hearing aid, imagine our music-only earbuds. Its slim tip to canal provide all-day comfort, and the discreet design lets you listen to music or podcasts unnoticed as long as you convince others that it is a hearing aid. Balanced weight and build quality is solid, on par with Sony XM earbud series. As someone in my mid-40s, I'm not sure I need to hear every digitally amplified footstep I take. Personally, I'll use these mainly for private conversations or during meetings. So I hope this video showed you how cool this Cearvol Wave hearing aid device is. But if you have any queries, please do comment below. And thank you very much for watching this video. This is Robot Review Tech. All the best. Bye-bye.